Ever found yourself fumbling for your physical card at checkout while everyone else effortlessly taps their phones? We live in a world of instant payments, where mobile wallets reign supreme. So, the question on everyone's mind, especially if you're a KOHO user, is, does KOHO support mobile wallets? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to break down everything you need to know about KOHO and its compatibility with popular mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. We'll explore the current situation, discuss any potential future developments, and even look at some alternative payment options you might find useful. Now, before we jump into the specifics, let's take a quick look at what KOHO actually is. For those unfamiliar, KOHO is a prepaid MasterCard that acts like a hybrid between a debit card and a credit card. It's linked to an app that gives you real-time insights into your spending, helping you budget and manage your finances more effectively. It's gained popularity for its transparency and user-friendly interface. But the big question remains, can you use it with your mobile wallet? The short answer, as of today, is no. KOHO does not currently support integration with Apple Pay or Google Pay. This is a common question among KOHO users, and it's understandable why. Mobile wallets offer a convenient and secure way to pay, and their absence can feel like a missing piece in an otherwise comprehensive financial tool. Now, I know what you're thinking, that's disappointing. And you're not alone. Many users have expressed their desire for mobile wallet integration. It's a feature that's frequently requested in online forums and social media discussions about KOHO. The convenience of simply tapping your phone to pay is undeniable, and it's something many of us have come to expect. So, why doesn't KOHO support mobile wallets? The reasons are complex and not always publicly disclosed by the company. However, there are a few potential factors at play. Integrating with mobile wallets requires significant technical infrastructure and ongoing maintenance. There are also security considerations and partnerships that need to be established with the mobile wallet providers themselves. These integrations can be costly and time-consuming, especially for a relatively smaller fintech company like KOHO. Another possible factor could be KOHO's focus on its own app and features. They might be prioritizing the development and improvement of their own platform, believing that their app provides sufficient functionality for users to manage their spending and finances. While the KOHO app is indeed feature-rich, it doesn't quite replace the seamless experience of paying with a mobile wallet. Now, let's talk about the future. While KOHO doesn't currently support mobile wallets, that doesn't necessarily mean it never will. The fintech landscape is constantly evolving, and companies are always adapting to meet user demands. It's entirely possible that KOHO might consider integrating with Apple Pay and Google Pay in the future. In fact, many users are hopeful that this feature will be added eventually. Keep in mind that user feedback plays a crucial role in shaping a company's product roadmap. If enough KOHO users express their desire for mobile wallet integration, it increases the likelihood that the company will consider it. So, if this is a feature you'd like to see, make sure to let KOHO know. Reach out to their customer support, engage in their online community forums, and make your voice heard. In the meantime, what are your options if you want to use mobile wallets? Well, you could consider using a different card that does support Apple Pay or Google Pay. Many traditional banks and credit unions offer cards that are compatible with these mobile payment systems. This could be a good option if mobile wallet integration is a must-have for you. Another alternative is to use the physical KOHO card or the virtual KOHO card that's available through the app. While it's not quite as convenient as tapping your phone, it still allows you to make purchases in stores and online. The KOHO app also offers features like spending notifications and budgeting tools, which can help you manage your finances even without mobile wallet integration. It's also worth noting that some retailers and merchants offer their own mobile payment apps or loyalty programs. These apps might allow you to link your KOHO card and make payments through their systems. However, this is not as universal as Apple Pay or Google Pay, and it requires you to download and manage multiple apps. So, to summarize, the answer to our initial question is, no, KOHO does not currently support mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. While this is a common request from users, the company has not yet implemented this feature. However, the possibility remains that mobile wallet integration could be considered in the future. In the meantime, you can use the physical or virtual KOHO card, or consider alternative payment options if mobile wallet functionality is essential for you. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding what KOHO is to exploring the reasons behind the lack of mobile wallet integration and looking at potential alternatives. Remember, the world of fintech is dynamic and things can change quickly. So, keep an eye out for updates from KOHO and stay informed about any new developments. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.